In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super cute beaded flower. This is fun. You could glue this on to a headband and wear it as a cute beaded little headband. You could hang a few of these in the window and kind of catch the light with some of these transparent beads. This is a really fun project and great for fine motor skills as well. So let's get started. For this project, you're going to need 3 pipe cleaners. Now I'm using the longer 12-inch kind. You can get shorter ones too. Just know that your flower will be a little bit smaller. They don't have to be different colors. They could be all the same color. I grabbed 3 different colors to make it extra fun. And we have some beads here. Now I have the plastic pony beads that you see in the craft store, but I also have some smaller ones. There's some wood ones in here. Alphabet beads, anything you have on hand. It's really like you could do a pattern, or you could do kind of like a rainbow mixed effect like I'm gonna do. But any kind of beads, as long as the holes, you can fit the pipe cleaner through the holes, okay? To start our flower, we're going to take 2 of the pipe cleaners and make an X. And then we're going to twist them together. Just make sure all 4 of these are kind of the same length, okay? So just fold it in half and give it a twist. Then you're going to take your 3rd pipe cleaner and you're going to do the same thing and just incorporate it into the other ones. So just give everything a nice twist, and now our flower is ready for some beads. So you should have 6 petals here. The next thing we're going to do is start adding our beads to our petals. So one of these strands, just start adding beads onto it. And what we're going to do is go almost all the way up. We're going to need just a short little snippet here at the top just to be able to twist it onto the petal. So go ahead and add beads almost all the way up to your petal end. Once you get your beads all the way up and just a little bit, like an inch or so off the top, you're going to take it and you're going to fold it down. And you're going to have it meet the one next to it. So the strand here next to it, and you're going to just twist them together, okay? So just twist them together and kind of make it come up the strand of the next one so you don't have things sticking out. And then you're going to turn and start beading the next one. So you're just going to continue around filling up each petal, and then once they are strung, you'll just bring it down to the bottom once again and twist it onto the petal next to it. So just keep going around, filling up all the strands with beads. And then we're going to rejoin in just a minute. When you get to this last one, I'll show you how to do that one. When you get to that last petal, you might need to give yourself a little bit more room. Bring it down, and then you're going to kind of crisscross over this time over some of the other petals, because we don't really have an empty one to tie it onto. So I'm going to kind of grab this one over here and sort of like twist it around that one. But just find a petal that's sort of adjacent or across, and you may just have to kind of go in from the bottom around, okay? So our beautiful little beaded flower is finished, and when you're done, you can kind of shape it up and it looks super cute. This would look fun on a barrette or a headband. You can hang it up in a window and let some of these translucent beads catch the sun. So that's how you make a beaded flower. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure and click that subscribe button to get all the latest sparkle and splatter video updates.